What's up mga quiz, mga ates? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alat at ngayong araw meron akong papanoorin video galing sa America's Got Talent at ang papanoorin ko performance or audition ay galing kay Gabriel Henrique ng Brazil. So nagawan ko na ito ng maraming reaction video in the past. I think mga around 4 or 5 videos, and sobrang hanga ko sa kanyang talent because he was really one of the best singers I've ever heard, male singers I've ever heard sa YouTube. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa, excited ako mapanood itong performance siya, and talagang na-surprise ako na sumali siya sa America's Got Talent. So, with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said video. So, let's go!
I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if you would only take the time, I know in my heart you sometimes who is always strong. Can't you see the heart of me? I feel so alone. I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Tell me, where will you stay? Oh, where are you?
Okay, there you go, napanood natin performance ni Gabriel Henrique at wow, kinilabutan ako sa performance niya. Di ko na-expect yung performance niya, ganun kaganda. Wow! Sa totoo lang, yung performance niya kanina doon sa America's Got Talent, yun ang pinaka-the-best na nakita ko, performance niya. Based to sa mga nagawan ko reaction video niya, I think this one is the best talaga. So far, the best. Ang linis ng boses niya, ang sarap pakinggan, yung kulot niya, ganun rin, ganda. And even yung parang yung style ni Mariah Carey na Weasel, di ba? Galing, ang sarap pakinggan. Hindi siya yung pilit, hindi siya yung trying hard, kagaya ng isang singer na Pinoy na trying hard yung pag-whistle, di ba? Hindi ko na papanggitin, I'm sure kilala niyo yun. So, ito, sobrang ang galing, sobrang wow. And he deserves to be in America's Got Talent. And I don't know bakit ang tagal niya lumabas or nag-join ng America's Talent. Pero again, he really deserves to be in America's Got Talent. And based sa nabas on what I read, on the title that I read, he got a Golden Buzzer. I don't know who gave the Golden Buzzer, but definitely the one who gave the Golden Buzzer is really the best. Because he or she knew how great this singer, and I hope now that Gabriel Henrique is already in the mainstream media or mainstream stage. Hopefully this will be the start of a better career for him as a singer, diba? Kasi we used to see him on YouTube only, but now he's already on America's Talent, America's Got Talent. And you know how big is America's Got Talent. It reaches a lot of country. So again, this one is the best. So congrats, Gabriel Enrique, and you saw my reaction earlier, and I seldom do that reaction if the video I'm watching is something that really make me smile, make me feel happy. So this one, his performance is really one of the best. So congrats to Gabriel Enrique, and I really like his performance. So there you go. So kung nagustuhan nyo man yung performance ni Gabriel Enrique, please comment down below. Comment below, I mean not comment. Comment below. And kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung opinion ko and reaction on Gabriel Enrique's performance, please comment below, and I will try to read all your comments, and if I needed to reply back, then I will do. So there you go. So before I end this video, please don't forget this 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Talas Kisho, ang Pinoy Talaga channel, Proudly Bromley Vlog, and Tamat Lang People Present. So thank you very much. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.